All right, so in this assignment, we're looking at generating patterns. Generate patterns. And so what do we mean by generating patterns? Well, they're going to use shapes here to kind of think about how we generate patterns. When I make just a square using toothpicks, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 toothpicks. When I add another one to it and they share a side, I have the original 4 pieces, but I'm adding 1, 2, 3 more. If I add another figure to that, I'm adding 1, 2, 3 more. So how many toothpicks would I use to make the 4th one? So if I have 4 here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I'm increasing each time by 3. So if I have 3 here, and I know that this is 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, if I add 3 more to make the 4th figure, it would probably be 13. So let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 13. Use toothpicks to model the 5th figure. So I'm going to draw it here. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We used 16. So we know that the first one has 4, and every one after that adds 3. So that pattern would keep going. If I kept going, it would keep adding 3. So this is the first figure, second figure, third figure, fourth figure, sixth figure, or fifth figure. If we kept going, we would just keep adding 3, and we could totally find out the pattern. So the pattern for this one, generate patterns, is adding 3 each time. Okay, so it says complete the table, show the number of toothpicks needed. So we talked about what did you notice the number of toothpicks needed. So this was add 3. So this would be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, there we go. So that's what we're doing there. So we're going to come over here. We're going to do... well, I guess we're going to do 1 through 6 here. So we got to look at this. Using your rule, how many toothpicks would we need to find the 8th figure? Well, let's just put it on here. So here, 8th figure, 9th figure. So let's just draw it onto the little thing here. If I know that I'm just adding 3 more, this would be 25, and this would be 28. Correct? Correct. Okay. Use math tools. Create a new pattern. Start with figure 1. Add 6 toothpicks for each new figure as shown. So basically what we're doing is we're adding a block on this side and a block going down. So we're doing if this is our original, we're adding a block to the right and a block going down. Okay, so that's adding 6 more. So if we did that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're adding 6 more pieces. This would now be 20 because we're adding 6. Adding 6. What would the next one be? It would be 26. Adding 6. So you're going to continue to add 6. You're going to answer these questions. You're going to do the same thing for these problems.